In this lecture, I'm going to provide you few tips on how to create your own YouTube videos effectively. Keeping your YouTube videos really good will help you to bring in more views. If your YouTube videos are not good, then you can't really make the viewers satisfied. So make sure you always concentrate on quality while creating your YouTube videos. In YouTube, the more content you add in your video, the more views you will get. Content in your video is the king when it comes to YouTube marketing. Your videos will grab viewers' attention if you are creating your videos with more innovative and creative ideas. I'm damn sure that you are going to be the boss of the YouTube if you follow these simple strategies. You can make your own video by yourself, or you can also hire some professional videographer to do the work for you. But what I would suggest is making the videos by yourself. It will help you out in lot more ways, like you can save your money and you can learn everything by yourself by simply googling for more video tutorials. At the same time, creating your video by professionals may seem like very expensive, but actually it is not. They do cost around just $10 to produce. In case if you are planning to outsource, you can go to Fiverr and hire some good video professionals. If you are on a serious plan with saving your budget, you can create your own video with just a PowerPoint presentation using softwares like Camtasia. It is worthy to go. I'm stressing more on the video quality because user engagement is the most important YouTube ranking signal. If your video is a total crap, it will not get ranked at all. So no matter how optimized they are for SEO, if you're following my tips and suggestions that I have mentioned in this lecture, I'm sure your video is going to be ranked very easily. That too with the software that I'm providing with this course will make the ranking process more easier.